This is a video on how to engrave your TidyWalkways handles. First of all, you'll come over here and turn on the laser. That turns on the water pump, the air pump, everything that you need to with the laser. And then you open the lid, the computer, and the login for the computer is right there. So once it's up, you may need to wiggle the mouse, push the button, whatever, and then you type in the password. And the program is up with, I've got it set for four engraves at one time. One thing I did not include in the original video is that you need to click this button here that says Initialize Laser Cutter. You can cut without doing this, but this sets the laser back to its home position, and that will give you a more sure cut wherever the laser starts at. This will take it back to home. Now, the way to make sure that everything is set properly inside of here, even though I've already done this, I am going to come over to the laser software, and down here where it says vector cut, I am going to tell it, you've got to close the lid on the laser, otherwise this won't do anything. It's got a safety switch on there. Tell it vector cut. And you only have to do this on the very first one. And what it's doing is it is cutting, just doing a quick cut. Oh, in fact, something did shift inside there. And this is going to tell me where to put the pieces whenever it is time to cut. So this is a wise thing to do at the very beginning, and as long as you don't move the board inside there, then you won't need to do this again. But that just engraved our new spots. Now we needed to have paid attention to which one it is. It is the top ones. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. Those are the areas that we will put our pieces in. Next, you prepare your pieces, and I have a piece and 4 drill bits here. I'm going to insert them off camera and then come back to you. After you get the drill bits in there, you want to have 2 of them that are sticking out long on the left and 2 that are sticking out long on the right. I'll show you why in a moment. You also want to lay these in there so that they have their natural curve is going up and then back down. And then you'll put them in these boxes here. And remember, the boxes that we marked out as the ones that are for this engrave, as much into the center of that marked out line as you can. And now you can see why we needed to make 2 of them long on the left, 2 long on the right, so that they would actually fit in there without bumping into each other. And again, you want to lay them out so that their natural curve goes away from you, and that way when it engraves, the writing is right side up on the handle. All right, close the lid, come back over here, and we will hit raster engrave. And now it is starting on the engraving, and should take about 11 minutes or so, 11 and a half minutes to do all 4 of them.